What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the radius of a circle when you're given the area. So the problem just says the area of a circle is 6.8 meters squared. What is the radius? So there's two formulas we can use to find the area of a circle. So that would be the area is equal to pi r squared, where r is the radius, and we could also use the area is equal to pi d squared all over 4. And d stands for the diameter. Now the formula that you want to use just depends on what you're looking for. So here we're looking for the radius, so let's use the formula that relates the area and the radius. So what do we know? Well, the problem tells us that the area is 6.8 meters squared. So let's plug that in for A right here. So we know that the area is 6.8 meters squared, and that's equal to pi r squared. All right, now here we're trying to solve for r, so the first thing we can do is get rid of this pi, so we can simply divide both sides by pi. So then on this side, the pi on top and bottom cancel out, and on here we're just left with r squared on this side, and that's equal to this side over here. So 6.8 divided by pi, and remember pi is equal to approximately 3.14. So you could plug in 3.14 for pi over here, or you could just use the pi button on your calculator, which is what I would recommend. But in either case, you should get that this is equal to approximately 2.16. And don't forget your units, meters squared, right? Now here, to solve for r, we need to get rid of this exponent, the 2. And to get rid of this exponent, all you have to do is take the square root of it. And whatever we do to one side, we do to the other, right? So we have to take the square root of this whole side also. So on this side, the square root and the squared exponent cancel out. So then on this side, we're just left with r. So we get that r is equal to the square root of this side. So the square root of 2.16 is approximately 1.43. And then remember, I told you on this side, the square root and the exponent cancel out. So the same thing happens over here. The square root and the exponent cancel out. So our units, instead of having meters squared, we just have meters, right? So then this is just meters. So the radius is equal to 1.43 meters. And that makes sense for the units too, right? Because the radius is just a length. So that's why we have just a linear unit right here in meters. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.